here we go again. Let's get into these guys again. See what's going on. Nothing. Ain't drawing nothing out on these. I'm gonna move some brood up today though. That's what I've been told to do. So that's what we do. Dang it. A lot of bees. A lot of bees hanging out. Oh, they're drawing that one just barely. Okay. Looks like they're doing a little drawing on that. Don't see any of these really. Gluing the place shut, I know that. Now, that middle one there's got a little bit going on. No, we're gonna put some brood up here though. We learned that one, so we'll do it. Let's put this here. See about getting this box off. The sucker is glued. There we go. All right. Let's start over here. Bull, honey. Bull. No, not full. Nectar. Some capped honey up there. Big old fat boy drones. It's drawn out. Set this right here. Yeah, I see you trying to get to me. I see you. About some smoke. I'd say that's brood, right? That brood? some capped honey there. Yeah. That almost looks like that might be where a queen is. Oh, that's all brood. Oh yeah, larvae everywhere. I'd say the queen's hanging out right here somewhere. I may move this one up. This may be the one. Brood only. A little bit, not a whole lot either. Now these, are these queen cells? Is that what I'm seeing there? Right here? Is that what all that is? They got stuff in them too. Yep. I don't know if those are queen cells. Those are probably, are those queen cells? Or are those drones? They're probably drones. Hate to kill the drones because we need them. I'd say that's drones in there. I don't know, man. I'm gonna leave them be. All right. Just use this on back. You guys are getting upset. Calm down. Calm down, everybody. Just calm down. I see you guys getting upset with me. Capped brood. I may move these up, this one up. Because that's all capped brood right there, and larvae. Wish I could find a freaking queen. Now, how about this one? Are those queen cells right there? May move this one up, I think, maybe. Got a lot of brood. I'm not seeing like a whole crap ton of honey or anything. Getting these bees active, I know that. Good Lord, I'm glad I got a suit. How y'all do it without suits, man? Just hatched broods, all that is. Nothing, empty cells. Why ain't they making a bunch of honey? We don't see a bunch of honey here either. I think it's all drone cells right there, probably. More freaking. Making plenty of bees. Brood. Brood. And they're not happy. They're flying all over my face. Probably one of the most brutal times I've had them. Like unless that is honey, but is that honey? No, that's freaking larva. That's brood. There's no honey in this. None. It is loaded with bees. No honey. Looks like they extracted honey last time. No honey. No honey in this whole hive. Tell me what I should do, guys. There's no honey in here. There's a ton of bees. And I ain't kidding you. And they are not happy with me at all. They're drawing those frames out, kinda. Getting started on it. God, there's a lot of bees in there. Why ain't there no honey? That's not good, is it? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I gotta get one more back. Now this one, I mean, there's some honey there and nectar. Not much. Alright. I'll put these right in the top. See if I can persuade them to chill. Get out of there. I'm putting the box back on. Go hide. Go play. Here we go. Not a fan. I think that sucker just actually made it through my glove. Or it's climbed up in my glove. Something's stinging. Alright, there's 2 broods. Right back in the middle. Yep, somebody stung me right through that glove. Made it. Alright, so we're done with that. Put this back on. Alright. Well, there's no honey. I didn't see any. Very, very little honey in here. Very little nectar. What's going on with that? Lots of brood. Tons of bees. Tons of larvae. No honey here. Help me. sucker there. Damn it. He's gonna die. Alright. Alright, you guys can go chill out now. I'm done. So I moved 2 brood up. I could have swore this was loaded with honey. Now I'm seeing lots of empty, drawn frames, empty, and tons of brood. So, and no honey. So help me figure that one out. All right, let's move over here to the next one. Let's go here. We're burning good. Just put this over here. Lots of bees in that sucker. All right, boys, coming in. These guys are noisy, I can tell you that. Let's just check the middle here. We got it glued up. We're up here doing something. See, there is absolutely nothing done. I think I want to put a deep on here and move some brood up on these. Yep, not a single thing. Not a single thing. So I'm thinking, since there's nothing in this box, nowhere, I'm going to put a deep on here and move brood up on this one. Not near as many bees in this, but I am seeing right now, I can tell you, I'm seeing a lot of honey. Tons of it. Why is there no honey over there and tons of bees? And this sucker here, oh my goodness. Yeah, this is all, damn. This thing's so full, I'm gonna rip all the honey to pieces getting it out. Alright, I think I can get this one out. They're just drawing on this one. Got some capped honey there. But let's look at this one. Ugh. Now that, no, that's nectar. Looks like that's old honey maybe, so that's why it's so dirty. That thing, golly, heavy. Very heavy. Look at the, yeah, that stuff looks so good. Alright, what's in this one now? Now we can get into it. Capped honey there. Large portion. Almost all capped honey there. Got brood and larva. Oh man, I bet the queen might be right here. Come on, let this be the day. What is crawling around on me? Dang it. They sure are eating a lot of that honey. I wonder if I give them too much smoke. Does it mean I gave them too much smoke? I don't see nope. Tons of larvae. Tons of drones. I think we'll move this one up. Sucker's in my freaking... It made it inside. How did it do that? I don't see no queen. But there is lots of larvae there. Dang it. Caps. Something's still laying in here, so we got a queen in here somewhere. Full of honey around the outside and larvae. Is that a queen? Are these queen cups? Is that queen cups right there? I just want to pinch them anyway. I don't know if those are queen cups or not. Look up under there. What's all that? Drones or queen cups? Which one? These guys look like they're doing a better job of having like honey and brood. Over there, there's no honey like this. That's kind of freaking me out over there. I don't know what's going on or what I should do. Don't tell me I have a bee in here again. I do. Yep, there's all the little, now I'm seeing, this might be where the queen is, because it's like the seeds are in there now. I can see them everywhere in there. Lots of laying going on right here. Dang it. No queen. Larva. Honey. Cap brood. 1, 2, and 3. Looks like a lot of them are hatching, man. They're coming out. I see them in there moving, digging, eating, digging their way out. There's honey, brood. Now this one over here, this looks like this one's a lot of honey in here. That's half honey, capped. They're drawing on that. I think this one's all honey. Oh! There we go. That sucker is heavy. So these guys are putting up a lot. I have no frames that look like this in the other hive. Zero. What should I do about that? Look, I have no frames over there that look like this. And I've got a lot more bees over there. A lot. All right, so I need to find, I want to find one that's got a lot of brood on it. And I'm going to move it to the top. See a little bit of larva in there. Almost looks like the queen would be, I don't know. This one? I think maybe this one. This one here seems like it's got, yeah. Let's do this one. Just hope I ain't running my, yeah, I'm gonna move this one up. Put this one down here on the bottom. Let's put it right next to, in between the honey and the brood right here. Let's put it right there. Do that. What? Scoot this over. How to fit this in here? This thing is loaded with honey. I mean loaded with honey. There. Just do that. I'll just put this on top. I'm going to put this. There's lots of larvae there. Cap brood, some honey. Lots of larvae, cap brood. A little bit of honey on the outside. All right, I'm going to put this right here. Let's try that. So you say. All right, let's leave these guys be. They've done enough. All right, back on. There we go. Now I'm thinking that's a drone, right? Is that a drone or a queen? I don't know. There's lots of bees in there. This one ain't got much honey. This has got quite a bit of honey, but not like I see on Facebook or nothing. So I don't know what to do. I don't know. All right, that's gonna be it for that.